Setting up a Bitcoin mining machine involves several steps, including hardware selection, software installation, and proper configuration. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you set up your own Bitcoin mining rig. Choose your mining hardware. Bitcoin mining can be done using different hardware types. The most common and efficient choice today is ASIC miners, but you can also mine with GPUs, though this is less efficient for Bitcoin mining. ASIC miners like the Antminer S19 Pro and MicroBT Wattsminer M30S are highly specialized machines designed specifically for Bitcoin mining. For GPU mining, AMD or NVIDIA GPUs such as the NVIDIA RTX 3080, 3090, or AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT can still be used to mine other cryptocurrencies but are far less efficient for Bitcoin mining. If you want to mine Bitcoin, ASIC miners are the way to go. They provide the best hash rate and energy efficiency. Next, set up your power supply. Bitcoin miners consume a significant amount of electricity. Ensure your power supply is sufficient for your mining hardware. ASIC miners come with a dedicated power supply unit, while for GPUs, you may need a separate PSU or multiple PSUs depending on the number of GPUs. Make sure to have stable electricity to avoid interruptions. Overclocking can lead to increased power usage. Choose a mining pool. Mining Bitcoin on your own is highly unlikely to be profitable due to the massive competition. Joining a mining pool helps you get more consistent payouts. Popular mining pools include Slush Pool, F2 Pool, Antpool, and BTC.com. Sign up for a pool, and you will be given a worker ID that you will configure later in your mining software. Now, install mining software. To begin mining, you'll need to install mining software compatible with your hardware. For ASIC miners, they usually come with pre-installed software, but you can access and configure them through a web interface. For instance, Antminer S19 Pro has an easy-to-use interface where you can input pool details and other settings. For GPU mining, popular mining software options include CG Miner, BFG Miner, NiceHash, and Claymore. Once you have the mining software set up, you'll need to configure it with your mining pool information. For ASIC miners, this is typically done via a web browser interface. For GPU mining, you will need to edit the configuration files. You'll need to provide your Bitcoin wallet address where you want the mined Bitcoin to be deposited. Once everything is configured, you can start the mining process. If you're using an ASIC miner, you can usually start it from the web interface. For GPU miners, simply run the mining software, and it will start mining on the specified pool. Once mining begins, it's essential to monitor your rig for performance and temperature to prevent overheating. Keep an eye on your hash rate, temperature, and earnings. Most mining pool websites offer a dashboard where you can track your earnings. Ensure proper cooling. Bitcoin miners, especially ASIC miners, generate a lot of heat. Proper cooling is crucial to ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating. Use fans, air conditioning, or even dedicated cooling solutions to keep the temperature low. Keep your software updated. Bitcoin mining hardware and software receive updates periodically. It's essential to stay on top of updates to ensure your machine is as efficient and secure as possible. You'll need a Bitcoin wallet to receive your payouts. You can use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for enhanced security, or software wallets like Electrum or Exodus for convenience. Be mindful of electricity costs, as they can drastically affect your profits. Depending on the hardware you choose, it may take several months or even years to make a profit, especially with the increasing difficulty of mining. Make sure your mining rig and wallet are secure. Use two-factor authentication for mining pool accounts and wallets. In conclusion, setting up a Bitcoin mining machine requires selecting the right hardware, installing mining software, and joining a mining pool. You'll also need to make sure you have a stable power supply and proper cooling for your mining setup. While mining Bitcoin is increasingly competitive, joining a pool and keeping your hardware well maintained can make the process more profitable.